Hello guys, and welcome back. Let's look into how to download LabVIEW Community version 2021 today. First, fire up your internet browser. I'm using Google in this case, and what you need to do is you can actually just navigate to ni.com. Once the page is loaded, you can either click the first link up here and search your way through to LabVIEW. Once you open up the main page here, you can actually search, and you can see there's an option here called LabVIEW. Once you have already searched for this page, and you can see there's an option here called download. At the date of this recording, of course, the download button is here, but in case in the future if the web page changes, then you might need to spend some time searching it. And all you need to do is just click the download button here, and you will be navigated to the LabVIEW download page. So once you already at the LabVIEW download page, you can actually search for this information that is actually being displayed here. You can see that LabVIEW is supported in 3 different OS: Windows, Mac, and Linux. And you can see that there are a list of versions that are available on NI website. As you can see, if you scroll down, you can see that the oldest version available online is 2009, and the latest version is 2021 as of the recording of this date. And you can see there are several additions here. Since we're going to be downloading 2021 community version, you just need to select this option here. Just one thing to note is that the community version is available starting from version 2020, and if you were to look for any community version below 2020, you're most probably not going to get that any options because it only started implementing on version 2020. So let's look at, for example, 2019, and you can see that the option for community version is not available here. So let's click on let's click on 2021, since we'll be moving on the latest version, and let's click community here. You can see by default the bitness is 32, English is the language, and there's no driver software included. So when you click the community version, it goes by default that the file size that you're going to be downloading is going to be roughly about more than 2 gigs. So you can see if you expand the option here, it supports Windows 10 64-bit, the language is in English, and pretty much this checksum actually just kind of like the product ID for this version. So let's click download on this button, and what's going to happen here is that you will be prompted to create a NI user account. So for you to download any NI software or LabVIEW, you will need to create an NI user account. Since I have already created my NI user account, so I'm just going to click login. The process of creating NI account is quite straightforward, so you can actually do it without much of a hassle there. So I'm just going to click login, and once I have logged in, the website will actually prompt, and I'll start getting the installer downloaded automatically. So I'm just going to click download here. Actually the file size is quite large. It's going to be about 2 gig, and I kind of downloaded earlier before so that I just don't waste time on this. So I'm just going to click cancel for this, and once I have already get the installer for community version 2020, you can actually see the ISO file is here. So I'm just going to click in, and all you need to do is just go for this install application here. Just click this, and the package installer will start prompting itself. So click yes, and the NI package manager will actually pop up. So this is the normal procedure of installing any NI software. So the NI package manager will pop up. So usually I will just go by next to have a default installation, and once you have already of course the license agreement also, you have to just click accept and next. And before the installation proceeds, you will need to review the following before you can actually proceed to install. So these are the things that will be installed on the PC: the community version, English, the database, hobbies, toolkits. We will actually explore more of this in detail, but usually by practice, before you install any LabVIEW softwares, it's best that you actually look into all this before you pressing the next button. So let's press next, and here the installation will begin. um, Usually the installation will take some time, so it's gonna be maybe about 10 minutes, I guess, for a 2 gig size. So let's wait on this. Alright guys, before the installation completely completes, there will be this pop-up shows activate software, and these are the following licenses that are actually selected under the community version. So as you can check, you can see all these are the following items that is within the community version. And what you need to do, since if you have already created the NI account, you can only just need to press activate, and it will start checking for the licenses that is associated with your user account. So what's happening here is that it will actually start checking for your user account, and it will actually shows an activation was a success for your 2021 community version. So you can actually see here that I already have a 2020 SP1 community version, but since I'm downloading for 2021 community version, so yeah, so it shouldn't be too difficult. So just click finish on this, and we can just click close. Now to check if LabVIEW 2021 is open, so we just need to type LabVIEW 2021, and you can see it's already installed here. So let's click on this, and it might take some time for it to open, but you can see here at the bottom left here is community edition, copyright to 2021, it's 32-bit. So these are the informations that you should see when you install the 2021 community version. So you can see here the front page. So that's pretty much how you actually can download and install LabVIEW into your PC. So we will be moving on into more videos exploring in LabVIEW. Thank you for your time.